Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can make the smooth slide transition with a motion blur in a HitFilm Express 12, and it's really pretty easy. All you have to do is to have like two clips. Now go to Effects, right there Push, and you will see here the push effect. Take it, paste it, and let's make it longer. And what you can do now is when you make it longer, go with the motion blur on 100% and look. So yep, this is kind of it. And I just want to hear you the music because the music here is awesome. Look at that. So yep, that's kind of it. This is how we make the push transition, or how we can make the smooth slide transition with the motion blur in HitFilm Express 12. Thank you all everybody, and goodbye.